Dear students, today I am going to discuss about alternating current. Topic is mean or average value of AC of class 12 science. Mean value of or average value of alternating current. What does it mean? Mean value or alternating or average value of AC. It is that steady current. It is that steady current which, when passed through a circuit for half time period of AC, will send the same amount of charge when in the same circuit for the same time AC is passed through the circuit. What does it mean? You have taken a circuit. You have taken a circuit, and through this circuit for half time period of AC you pass current, and current is going. What does it mean? Charge is flowing. The amount of charge flowing, suppose this is Q. This amount of charge should pass through the same circuit, and for the same time T by 2, the amount of steady current should pass through the circuit is called the mean value or average value of AC. What does it mean? एक सर्किट कंसिडर किया, थ्रू दिस सर्किट एसी करंट पास किया फॉर हाफ टाइम पीरियड. इसके लिए जितना चार्ज फ्लो करेगा, सेम चार्ज पास करने के लिए सेम सर्किट में सेम टाइम से जितना अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट पास करना है, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट इज कॉल्ड मीन वैल्यू और एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ एसी. फिर मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एक सर्किट चूज किया, इस सर्किट में एसी पास किया फॉर हाफ टाइम पीरियड. इसके लिए जितना चार्ज फ्लो किया, सेम अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज सेम सर्किट में सेम टाइम पास करने के लिए जितना अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट पास करना है, दिस अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेडी करंट इज कॉल्ड द मीन और एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ AC. Clear? Now you see, now you want to find its expression. Mean value IN से डिनोट करता है और एवरेज वैल्यू IV IA average. Now question is, suppose instantaneous value of AC is I equal to I naught sin omega t. This is the instantaneous value of AC. Clear? Now the rate of change of current. Suppose this current is fixed for short time dt. Then what we can write? dq equal to I dt. dq equal to I dt. I equal to dq by dt. So dq equal to I dt. Now what is I? Equal to I naught sin omega t dt. There, but our aim is to find Q. कितना टाइम के लिए? फॉर हाफ टाइम पीरियड. Therefore Q equal to integration 0 to t by 2. I naught sin omega t coming out sine omega t means integration minus cos omega t by omega limit 0 to t by 2. So this is minus I naught by omega. First upper limit cos omega t by 2 minus cos 0 minus omega means 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t cos of omega means 2 pi by t, t by 2, and cos 0 is 1, t cancel, cos pi minus 1. So it is, I am writing here, minus I naught t by 2 pi, and this is cos pi by cos pi means minus 1, another minus 1. Equal to minus I naught t by 2 pi into minus 2, 2 to cancel, minus minus plus I naught t by pi. Now if I A or Im is the mean value of current, then what is Q? What is Q? Q equal to IT. Q equal to IT. Im into T means T by 2. This is also Q. Q find here. This is also Q. This is also Q. So by equating, this is I naught t by pi. T cancel. So Im is twice I naught by pi. Twice I naught by pi equal to 0.3636. This is the expression for mean value of AC. What is mean value? Through a circuit, you pass AC for half time period and find the charge. And through the same circuit, for the same time half time period, to pass same amount of charge, the amount of steady current should pass through the circuit is called the mean value. Now we have to calculate charge by passing AC. I equal to I naught sin omega t, dq equal to I dt. Value of I is this, and then integrate for half time period, and we have got this, but I naught t by pi. Now question is, if Im is the mean value of AC, Then Q equal to IT formula, Q equal to IT. So Q equal to IM, T means half time period, T by 2. Now this is Q, this is also Q. This is by AC, this is by steady current. So by equating these two, we are getting Im equal to twice I naught by pi. If we put the value of pi and calculate, then its value will be 2 by pi will be 0.636 I naught. So Im equal to twice I naught by pi, or Im equal to 0.636 I naught. Clear? बाय. ठीक से पढ़ना, ठीक से ध्यान लगा के पढ़ना, देन रिजल्ट भी अच्छा होगा, नॉलेज भी प्रॉपर होगा, ब्रेन में मैच्योरिटी आएगा. क्लियर? ठीक से पढ़ना. बाय.